Hello teacher and friends. Today, Group 5 of Group 2 asked for permission to report on cheese and vinegar and how to do it. Invite teachers and friends to watch. These are the members of Group 5. Group 2, cheese is one of the products made from milk, which is a product made by freezing and fermenting dairy products that can be cow's milk, goat's milk, sheep's milk, or other animals. After freezing, the solid part will be separated and compressed into many different shapes, which is cheese. The group of lactic acid bacteria that help ferment: Streptococcus, Lactobacillus, general ingredients, milk, probiotics. So the fermentation creates cheese. Fermentation of contract formation as group of bacteria of lactic contract form as Streptococcus thermophilus, Lactobacillus bulgaricus, then cycle. The road classification is the process moving goods glucose into acid lactic. Means the total general of the process of fermentation co-image. Fermentation casual style. As same leuconostoc will move goods glucose cyclic process pentose phosphate create the acid lactic acid and ethanol, CO2, and the quality of flavor cheese. In the process of fermentation horror picture, beyond the creation of acid lactic also create the quality aromatic for cheese, diacetyl, acetoin, acid evaporation. Mechanical processing of fermentation with microorganisms lactic, lactose lactic acid, reduce the pH of milk to make up capacitor casein, equals the process is often taking place slowly, tools, cutting board, patch, cloth, foam box, tray, knife, container, pot, thermometer, stove, towel, types of milk that the group used, true milk, full cream, pasteurized, cow's milk. The yeasts used, Probio, Synbiose, Lacticus, yogurt, Latiol, Lactamin, Biolactamin, implementation process. Heat milk at about 40 degrees Celsius, mix the yeast packet with warmed fresh milk, cover tightly, add probiotics and incubate at 39 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 hours. After incubation, no butter layer appears equals, continue cheese making process. Photos after brewing with yeast of the members. Heat milk at a temperature of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, separate casein. To make milk florets, you can add a little salt for better precipitation. Pick up the milk flour, pour it into a smooth cloth bag, and let the water flow naturally. Pictures of milk flowers of the members, squeeze away filtered casein blocks into cakes. Photos after pressing of the members, cut into pieces and dry in the sun. Weigh with added sugar. Keep refrigerated. Result. The members' cheese after drying. Conclusion. Depending on the milk used, cheeses with different colors, odors, and states are obtained. Lesson learned. Sweet is due to sugary milk. Salty is due to putting a lot of salt. Lesson learned. It is recommended to use milkshake to separate the butter because the milk has not been homogenized. Drying in the sun will help the cheese dry faster, without mold, moisture loving. Instruments should be disinfected to avoid contamination. Salt is a strong electrolyte. It attracts water molecules towards it, making the casein dry. So when adding salt, you should put some. Thank you for watching.